Hey friends, so Ollie is awake and he has seen the treats, the little toys that I made, and he is super, super excited. Hang on, let me see if I can finagle. I didn't plan out very well my video. All right, can you see him? Hang on, here he is. Hang on. Hey, this is Ollie. This is our kitten, Ollie. And so anyway, he's been very excited about these toys. So one of the things, I told you I had twine and a jar lid. So this is one of my toys. I ended up being able to make 4 different toys out of my 5 items. So see, he likes, what do you think, Ollie? What do you say? Oh, oh, oh. See if we can get him. Ollie, can you see him? I'm going to try to get moved so he see what he thinks. I can't tell if he really likes it or not. What do you think? I think he's kind of interested. So let's see. Do we think this is the favorite toy? Give him just a minute. Yeah, he's liking it pretty good. All right, let's move on to the next toy. The next toy, and it's all the same kind of idea. So the next toy, I took this, all right, and he likes this. So this clothespin. So let's see. So he likes it. Okay, I think he either is warming up to the toys or he likes this one better. I don't know. What do you think? All right, next, we'll change it up a little bit. So the straw. So I thought, I didn't do anything with it. Let's see what he does. My brother used to do this. Ready? Ollie. I can't get it to blow off. Okay. I don't know that he's very interested in the straw. He likes the noise, so we'll see. All right, last but not least, and then we'll stop the video for today, is the disco ball. This is my favorite one. I saved it for last. Let's see what Ollie likes. Let's see if he likes it. He's pretty interested. He's pretty interested. What do you think, Ollie? What do you think? All right, I don't know. So what do you think? What is your vote? Do you think Ollie likes the disco ball on twine, the straw, the jar lid, or the clothespin? Vote below. What do you think? All right, I can't wait to see what you created. Love you guys. Thanks for working so hard. Bye.